Hi guys and welcome. Today we are looking at used to, be used to, and get used to. The phrase used to is unrelated to these other two phrases, be used to and get used to. But the phrases be used to and get used to are similar in meaning and in sentence structures. Many English learners have trouble distinguishing these three phrases. Some can tell them apart, but have trouble forming sentences with them. So on today's everyday English lesson, I will show you how to recognize and use each phrase correctly. So stick around till the end of this lesson and don't forget to hit that like button below. And now let's go to class. The phrase used to shows a particular thing that always happened or was true in the past, but it no longer happens or it's no longer true now. The key word to remember when using this phrase, used to, is that something always happened or was true in the past, but it's no longer true now. It no longer happens now in the present. Let's see some examples. John used to drink coffee every day. Linda used to read a book. Why don't you call me like you used to? So from these examples, we can tell that something, a particular thing, always happened or was true in the past, but now in the present, it's no longer true. It no longer happens. And now let's see the interrogative, affirmative, and negative forms of used to. First, the interrogative. Did you used to exercise every day? Next, the affirmative. Yes, I used to exercise every day. Lastly, the negative. No, I didn't used to exercise every day. So these are the forms to use when you choose used to. So choose used to say that something existed or happened repeatedly in the past, but does not exist or happen now. I used to eat pancakes. That means I ate them repeatedly in the past, but do not anymore. I used to eat pancakes. I still love them, but I don't eat them anymore. What is something you used to eat that you don't eat anymore? Let me know in the comment section below. I will read every comment and reply to you almost immediately. The sentence structure for used to will always go like this. Subject plus used to plus base verb. The base form of a verb is its shortest form without any endings, such as s, ing, and ed. And here's a phrase, be used to. We use this phrase to say you are accustomed to something, and so it seems normal or usual. If you are used to something, it's not difficult, new, or strange to you. In be used to, the verb be can take the present, past, or future tense. And here's the structure when using the phrase be used to. Be used to plus a gerund. You may remember that a gerund is a kind of noun that ends in ing. And here is an example. I am used to walking at sunrise. That means I am accustomed to it. And because I'm used to it, it's not difficult. It seems normal or usual to me, right? And here comes a phrase, get used to. Remember, this phrase is related in meaning to be used to, right? The difference is that get used to means someone is, was, or will become accustomed to something. Simply put, use get used to show that something is in the process of becoming normal or usual. So the verb get in the phrase can take the present, past, or future tense. And here's a tip to remember when using the phrase get used to. Use the structure get used to plus gerund. You may remember that a gerund is a kind of noun that ends in ing. And here is an example. She is getting used to the early hours. That means she is becoming accustomed to being awake in the early morning. So simply put, use the phrase get used to say that something is in the process of becoming normal or usual to a person. I hope you found some value and learned something. If you did, I'm happy. Please show me some love by hitting that subscribe button and bell icon below so you don't miss out on my weekly interactive English lessons to help boost your fluency, confidence, and speaking skills. Again, thanks for watching. I will see you around soon. Goodbye.